This proposal introduces Health Ride, a digital health innovation designed to address a critical gap in modern healthcare: the lack of integration between patient-generated data and clinical decision-making. Today, smartphones and wearable devices collect valuable real-time health data, yet this information is rarely used by physicians. HealthRide solves this problem by enabling users to securely share their activity data, particularly cycling data in the Netherlands, with healthcare providers, supporting more personalized and preventive care. This initiative aligns strongly with Kyocera's core values of ethical innovation, sustainability, and human-centered technology. It reflects the company's philosophy of prioritizing people while leveraging advanced digital solutions. Strategically, the Netherlands is an ideal market due to its cycling culture, strong healthcare infrastructure, and openness to public-private partnerships. Financially, the project is highly viable with a projected 2.1 million euros net present value and strong return on investment within 3 years. Beyond financial gains, HealthRide enhances Kyocera's position in digital health, strengthens global partnerships, and opens pathways into wearable and AI-driven healthcare markets. In summary, this innovation delivers both strategic and societal value, making it a strong candidate for prototype development and portfolio expansion.
Kyocera uses a return on investment capital, or ROIC, to evaluate business segments seeking a return of at least 5%. The Health Right initiative is projected to break even in year 3 and realize approximately 2.1 million euros in cumulative net present value by year 6 on 233,000 euros in upfront capital, or a 164% return on investment. Using estimates from the work breakdown structure, approximately 1,475 labor hours are required across software development using a blended labor rate of 97 euros per hour, compliance and project management areas. Approximately 69,000 euros is expected in cloud, licensing, security, and legal, with a 10% contingency. Outsourcing software development and engineering could decrease the time to break even by lowering the cost of labor. This model assumes an 8.5% discount rate and 25% corporate tax rate in the Netherlands. The project relies on revenue streams, Dutch grants, and health data contracts in addition to personal health coaching subscriptions.
The Global Workforce Risk Register for this project highlights engagement across organizational leadership to support a global team's success. Our proposal highlights areas of the risk register that emphasize perspectives brought by global and regional specialists. For talent management, global HR is best positioned to provide oversight for ensuring non-discriminatory hiring practices and guidance for cross-border salary scales. Regional HR leads, operating at each site, would bring global cultural awareness insights for local operations leads to reduce barriers that could jeopardize the project outcomes. Adriana Girdler, a practicing global project manager, advised planning carefully for engagement between global team sites. While time zone differences and version control of documentation are important to keep everyone on task, cultural interactions with more senior team members and cross-team communications are necessary for success in mutual knowledge building and engagement for project outcomes. She noted that project managers must find ways to get team members to build trust and get people to open up so you can connect with them.
Kyocera identifies employee self-fulfillment as one of our values, and further, we have a corporate motto to respect the divine and love people. It has been well established that diverse viewpoints strengthen decision-making in corporate governance. Kyocera's ethical framework drives its actions and ensures compliance with laws while promoting fairness, transparency, and accountability. Kyocera further works to strengthen communities through sustainability efforts and corporate social responsibility. Part of this social responsibility is the opportunity to adapt to and learn about the cultures that are part of our ecosystem. To ensure this, as Kyocera looks to outsource for this project, we must recruit individuals from within the culture of the outsourced workers to be regional human resource directors. Not only can these individuals advise on cultural needs of our outsourced partners, but also the equity needs. Our core values empower us to ensure equity for those who are creating our products. While offshore outsourcing offers Kyocera a wide range of strategic benefits, it also introduces significant opportunities to express our core identity by empowering workforce equity and cultural alignment. The success of global outsourcing initiatives depends not only on cost efficiency and access to talent, but also on the organization's ability to implement structured governance frameworks that address these complexities. Kyocera must position itself as a leader in mitigating discrimination across all aspects of the global workforce. This commitment not only ensures alignment with Dutch and European legal standards, but also reflects Kyocera's core values, emphasizing community and selfless service.
The purpose of the business continuity plan is to ensure clear and uninterrupted communications during emergencies impacting global operations. This slide outlines the elements addressed in our disaster and business continuity plan, which is directly informed by the technology and resilience risks in our global risk register. The highest risks we identified include regional infrastructure outages, cyber incidents, and inconsistent messaging during emergencies. Our solution is a centralized crisis communications model led by the business continuity manager and communications leadership. This ensures a single authoritative source of information during emergencies. Communications are delivered through a unified mass notification platform using SMS, email, and mobile alerts, allowing the organization to reach employees across regions and time zones even if one communication channel fails. Our approach is supported by industry research showing that fragmented or delayed communication significantly exacerbates operational disruption and erodes trust during emergency events. Organizations that rely on centralized multi-channel messaging recover more effectively when primary systems fail. To ensure quality assurance, this plan is tested through regular disaster recovery drills and governance reviews. These exercises validate escalation paths and message clarity, ensuring emergency communication is treated as a controlled, auditable continuity capability rather than an ad hoc response.
In summary, HealthRight is in alignment with Kyocera's values of doing the right thing with a focus on expanding their healthcare portfolio. The €233,000 capital investment for a 164% return in year 3 is a small investment on a company worth over $22 billion in market capitalization. The HealthRight app is also in alignment with the Dutch value system on active, healthy lifestyles through heavy use of bicycle transportation. The Dutch government incentivizes preventative healthcare, which is precisely the goal of HealthRight. Furthermore, HealthRight recognizes the opportunity in the Netherlands based on population size and estimated adoption rates to improve health outcomes for its citizens. This initiative is high in both feasibility and potential impact to the market, which represents maximum value for both Kyocera, the Dutch government, and most importantly, Dutch citizens, creating a win-win-win for all parties. Thanks so much for your time.